siguro nung that time kasi, nung after the bubble season kasi, nung natalo kami nila coach tsaka ni JD, ni Maymay. Nun
Okay,
after nun, meron na talaga akong interest. I was supposed to leave na talaga kung nag-champion kami. Kasi sa Korea din, pero different
Yeah, I
team.
remember this.
Yeah, meron na talaga
Yeah.
akong team na sobrang interested.
Offer na
And I was like
talaga.
so into it na talaga. Parang they flew over, they met my parents pa, sila nanay and tatay, tapos nag-dinner pa sila and everything. So parang medyo done deal na. Pero yun nga, parang kami ni tatay, kami competitors talaga kami. And syempre, we want to end on a good note. And ayoko naman na iiwan yung school na nag-welcome sa akin pabalik open arms na without the championship sana.
Right.
So, I still had 1 more year left. So parang sabi ko, it's not gonna be long naman. Kumbaga tapos na siya ng December. So,
swerte mo rin,
yun nga,
dalawang season na sa isang taon yun.
I remember this because, our common friend who, yung contact namin sa Korea, his name is Jay Kwon. And I remember talking to Jay. And then, alam ko showing interest kay Dave. And then I said, Jay, make sure to get him. So
Yeah. Okay, sige.
Pero hindi, because yun nga, competitive nga sila. And then, I remember nag-article ka pa rito And then, they wanted to finish nga. And then, the unfinished business turned into a finished one.
Yeah.
Right.
Buti na lang.
And then, Korea.
Yeah, yun nga.
So, talk about that a bit.
Parang, yung whole experience ko lang doon talaga was, syempre grateful ako kasi sino ba naman magsasabi na kahit si tatay hindi naman nakalaro ng international. So at least at that aspect, parang medyo nalampasan ko naman siya in a way. Pero yung whole time na yun was syempre maintindihan rin ni Joe yan kasi syempre nag-uusap sila nila Juan. It's a different ball game there. Know, especially with pro basketball as a whole. Kasi it's so much more different compared to like amateur kasi syempre you have the pride for the school lang. That's all you're thinking about. You're not thinking about how much you're earning, how much sino yung binubuhay mo or something like that. But when you come into the pro basketball scene in a different country, in a different
immediately.
Culture. Yeah. So parang it was just
a
culture shock talaga for me. But in terms of basketball, it was just so it was a blessing talaga kasi the facilities, how they took care of me, ibang klase talaga. And like how the country...
You just absorbed everything. You're a sponge the whole time.
And how the country is as a whole, it's just, syempre I was just so lucky and so blessed kasi it was like a once in a lifetime opportunity talaga.
And to think, the basketball there in Korea, I think it's only the second or maybe the third sport. Ang number one sport dun is baseball.
Yeah.
Baseball.
Tapos pangalawa ata, I think is I think women's volleyball pa nga nangunguna sa
And yet how they treat basketball, when he talks about the facilities, it's like the NBA.
Yes.
Like, you have your own practice facility which is state of the art.
Yeah.
And then yung main pa nila, and then they have the developmental team pa.
Yeah.
It's very similar to the
your own
NBA.
chef, you have your driver,
Exactly.
everything.
Yeah. Pero pinaka-favorite
memory.
More of like feature ko dun sa facility kasi hindi ka makakapasok dun kung wala kang fingerprint scanner. So sabi ko, angas.
I'm part of it.
Yeah, so parang ako, for me, parang I made it. Parang parang so cool naman ito. Diba? Sobrang angas naman. So parang
pati mga bus nila, like luxury bus.
Yeah, sobra. As in, mga lazy boy, may mga, tas yung, kumbaga, walang traffic eh. So, parang yung pinaka-farthest lang namin na drive is like 4 hours. Pero, syempre, malayo na yun eh. Kumbaga, without traffic. But the weather is so nice, the people are nice then, Pero, yun nga, yung in terms of basketball naman, yun, syempre, it wasn't really my best experience. Pero, it's just so funny how life is talaga eh. Kasi parang, when you're here in the Philippines, syempre, ganda ng basketball, I'm having such a great experience. But it's not really the best in terms of, facility and everything like that outside the basketball. But when you go to Korea, syempre, everything's the best outside the basketball. But then again, the sport, when your passion, kumbaga, it's not really the best experience. So parang, it's two sides of the coin ba, kumbaga. Pero,
medyo humbling din. Yeah.
No, but honestly, I feel like it's also just about the team you're in. Because like, I see some teams like what happened to Juan. Like they wanna look for his flaw. Like he wasn't getting that much.
What's the team he played for?
He played for SK Knights.
Okay.
Yeah, but they treated him well and everything, same like you're saying. But there are other teams na unang game ko lang babad na agad yung Asian import.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's also like
It depends.
It depends on where
Sa
you
coach
go.
din.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you ever see yourself going there again? Like,
Gusto ko talaga, bro.
like
Kasi,
if you were given an opportunity for next year,
Yeah.
would you take it?
yes.
Mm.
Siyempre, no-brainer talaga. Kasi,
Okay.
yun nga, like, if you compare it to during my time nung after nung bubble nga, na parang kinukuha na ako to somewhere a better opportunity. Pero my competitive self, yung parang fire talaga sa loob ko na parang I wanna stay and try to get back to, yun nga, makuha
back.
yung, to get back at the, yun nga, yung team na, syempre na parang, kumbaga heartbroken talaga ako nun eh. Pero itong, yun nga yung question mo na kung may opportunity ako to get back to Korea, syempre I will take it no matter what. Kasi no matter, even if I had like an abroad offer na, kunyari Japan na so much, like times 2 yung kontrata, mas pipiliin ko talaga yung Korea.
Oh,
Kasi
really?
gusto ko
That's
talaga,
interesting.
like iba
Kasi
talaga.
parang unfinished business.
Yeah,
na.
kasi
Okay.
ako talaga, coach, may gusto talaga akong patunayan. Like ako, ever since when I was a kid, I always had a chip on my shoulder talaga. So, parang...
May kinalaban ba si Chubby Kuya dito? Sa chick mo?
Meron. Actually, meron.
That feeling ko
Meron.
yan eh.
Meron, actually.
Yung
Kasi
competitive nature.
Kwento time ko yan.
Sige,
diba?
go.
Nung time na yun, kasi parang nung kinuha kami sa Ateneo, ako talaga yung package deal. Ako yung selling kit lang ako nun eh.
Really?
Kasi kinukuha sila
Yeah.
sa Ateneo High School, yung pinsan ko, si BJ Andrade. Kasi he used to he lived with us ever since mga 15 years na ata siguro.
Congrats, by the way, to BJ.
nasa
He's in Hong Kong right
Kong.
now.
Yeah. Playing as a
The
local.
team also, I'm sorry, I used to play for a
Ah.
stint. Yeah.
Okay.
Yung Winling.
Aba.
Kaya natutuwa ako, kinuha siya dyan.
May international din pala tayo dito.
Sorry.
It's a short stint. It's a
Teka
short
lang,
stint.
may
Anyway.
bisita dito. Di naman siya bisita, pero may natatawa.
Oo.
It's a short stint. Yeah.
May natatawa.
Pinilitan niya yung Canadian.
Oh, yeah.
Yun din yung
Napanood ko.
mahusay yun
Yeah.
eh. Mahusay yun.
Oo.
So anyway,
Okay,
go
go
BJ Andrade.
Yun, so parang, nung time na yun kasi, ako naman yung medyo naging chubby nun eh. So parang, pinagtitripan talaga nila ako. Parang, taba-taba ako daw. Tapos parang, saling kit-kit lang naman ako sa Ateneo. Ganun. Tapos parang, ang tawag dito, parang, sinasabi nila na, yun yan, na parang, wala lang daw ako. Kumaga yun yung pinaka-gist nila. So syempre as a kid, now thinking about it, syempre it's just, banter lang as among brothers and like cousins talaga. So parang lokohan lang talaga yun. But, during that time, I remember talaga so vividly na parang, nung time na yun, may naramdaman talaga ako sa loob ko na parang may fire na, parang na-start na kumbaga, at that young age na parang I was like
Na-ignite,
13, 14, during that time talaga. And ever since then, I would remember talaga. Kasi nung high school, syempre, ang dami mag-aaya sa'yo ng mga friends mo. O tara, labas tayo, ganun. Grabe, sabihin ko talaga, no. Kasi meron kaming court dun sa bahay namin before na half court. So, I would always, grabe yung, parang dedication, yung passion ko talaga.
Ito yung sa Pasig pa?
Time. Yeah, yung sa Pasig. Kasi, ang daming, gusto lumabas, may mga soiree pa nun eh. Soiree tayo, ganun. Labas tayo, tapos parang mall lang tayo, ganun. Tapos, parang ako, sorry, hindi ako pwede, bahay lang ako. Parang, kasi, yun nga, parang, during that time, nag-draw talaga ako ng inspiration kay tatay. Kasi, isipin mo naman, from rags to riches talaga siya. And what he did was like, all built on his hard work talaga. So, parang ever since then, meron talaga akong example talaga na itong work that you put in what you reap, you'll sow talaga.
You reap.
So, nung time na yun, grabe yung, I would just put in the hours, I would put in the work during that time. So, parang during that time, yun yung pinaka-specific na moment siguro for me na nag-click na this is what I want to do and ito talaga yung passion ko.
I think it's safe to say, di ba? And I'm sure Sean will agree with this, di ba? Because Sean's a winner also. But, at this point, even though Sean's an accomplished player, played in the PBA na rin, he's the more accomplished one. The reason why I bring that up, thank you for confirming. Now we understand why Juan is also better than the kuya. Okay. Okay, go.
Sige,
Hindi,
so,
actually, nakaka-relate ako sa sinasabi niyo,
Yeah.
yung mga bungguan na
Yeah.
when you play
Yeah.
Chip on your shoulder na rin ba?
Walang chip yan, kuya yan eh. Yung kuya, walang chip yan.
Yung nagkakapikunan
Yeah,
pa kayo.
yeah.
Ito, curious ako. Sino mas malakas magbuhat sa inyo?
Mas malakas talaga si Sean.
Si Sean
Ito.
talaga.
Kasi
Oo.
siya lapad talaga.
Si
Siya ako
Sean
more
malakas din
length
kumain.
eh.
Oo.
Mas malakas.
Naalala ko si
Grabe.
Sean nung high school sa Ateneo.
Yeah.
Baka wala ka pa noon eh. Kasi ang kasabay niya pa sila Nieto brothers. Ano talaga eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang tatay niya talaga.
Hindi ko nga alam
katawan.
kung siya yung nagkwento or ikaw sa akin na yung nagpasok nung nutrition sa bahay, yung siya ba yung nag-start?
Siya.
Or ikaw?
Siya yung
si Sean,
siya yung
oo.
nag-introduce sa amin sa nutritionist namin na kilala ni Coach Tim.
Yes, Coach Tim. I know
Tim.
Coach Tim.
Yeah, si Coach Tim. Yeah,
In
yun
nutrition,
yung
yeah.
naging, I think, di ko alam kung nutritionist pa rin ng UP, but ever since
Shout
he's been
out Coach
helping.
Tim.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sobrang, he's been helpful and ever since then, parang I've been with him lang. Tapos parang
Yeah.
he's taught me lang what I need to know. And ever since, syempre, out of my own curiosity, ako na rin nag-research.
Okay. So we were talking about his experience in the KBL, that it wasn't all basketball, but it was more of, the logistics in the area, what he learned from there. Swerte ang MPBL. Dahil lahat ng natutunan ni The Sheriff sa KBL, sa atin agad dinala.
Buti na lang yung experience niya sa KBL naging ganun kasi it led to this one here.
Exactly.
Oo.
That's how I see it.
Yeah.
Kasi
diba?
obviously kung naging, I'm sorry to say Dave, kasi syempre gusto natin mapaganda yon, but everything happens for a
Yeah.
reason.
Right,
The Lord
right.
is sovereign. Di
The
ba?
MPBL is so lucky, we are so lucky na tayo ang unang pro league, no? Na nadapuan ng The Sheriff pagkatapos yung mag-KBL.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So, okay, Dave, talk about, your journey or the transition from obviously an international
Professional athlete.
yeah. And no, the facilities there, and then suddenly going to Abra, going to Quezon, no, going to Pangasinan.
Pwede ba
I mean-
sabihin yan?
Hindi,
Point taken. Okay.
Hindi, ang point dito is, yun na nga, no, kumbaga parang hindi rin ganun kadali yung transition na yun, na
Yeah.
ganun, merong, ang tawag mo doon,
Yeah,
yung
yung fingerprints ka.
fingerprint, tas ngayon, di ba? Pero,
Ngayon ganun lang eh.
pero, wala mang fingerprinting papasok ng MPBL. Grabe naman yung fans nung pagdating niya. Halos
Yes.
hilahin yung shirt niya.
Then, ano pa? Was that the first game in Rizal last year?
Yun talaga yung...
Parang dinutukan ka ba?
Yun is so funny
Diba?
talaga. That,
Okay.
yung game na yun.
Naging
it's just-
viral yun eh.
Yeah,
Go.
naging viral yun. Yun yung parang... Di ko alam Sa MPBL lang talaga. I mean, syempre no hate, no whatsoever. Syempre, I'm not trying to critique whatsoever. Pero sana naman yung mga security, please help me out. Minsan lang. Please,
Yeah.
tulungan mo lang naman ako
Boss
minsan.
CPT. Oh, ha? Help him out. Ha?
Hanggang ngayon pa ba? I think mas controlled na.
Mas okay naman na ngayon.
Nakikita
Mas
ko
okay
pag,
naman na.
pag nagbe-best, lalo na lately, no?
Yeah.
He's been getting the best
Hindi,
players.
grabe siya talaga.
Nakaabang
Oo.
na yung mga bouncer.
Yeah.
Noong unang salta talaga niya, nakita ko talaga,
I
grabe.
remember.
Halos mapunit
Yeah.
yung jersey.
Yung sa Montalban talaga ibang klase yun. Kasi
Yeah.
syempre, yun nga, I just love what syempre the MPBL is doing na parang syempre free yung
Admission.
admission
Yeah.
and everything. And all kinds of people can watch syempre.
Yeah.
And what's no matter what state you're in or whatever, syempre. And yun nga, tawag dito, sinasabi ko lang, syempre, yung security, sana tulungan lang ako minsan. Pero other than that, syempre, MPBL has given me so much din na parang hindi ko in-expect eh. Kasi, before I would think na, nung nasa Korea or kahit nung nasa college ako, syempre inisip ko, MPBL is more of like, parang semi-pro league lang talaga siya na parang, it's different from the PBA. But after experiencing it and like being with the people around it and the competition, I could say na parang it's really just basketball in the purest form. It's, kumbaga, like, kumbaga parang nagpupustahan ka lang ng ice tubig talaga. Kasi,
raw.
grabe,
Very raw.
yeah. It's such a great brand of basketball kasi it's a Filipino basketball.
Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, ano pang hinihintay mo? Bawat episode, bawat laro, bawat kontrobersya sa MPBL, nandito kami para harapin lahat. Hanapin ang Rebanse sa Spotify, Apple Podcasts, at YouTube. Kung may gusto kang sabihin, may issue kang gustong harapin, o may rebanse ka sa sinasabi namin ngayon, mag-subscribe, i-share, makiisa sa usapan.